Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigabits. Today we're diving into MoneyLion 2024, an all-in-one financial platform that offers a blend of banking, investing and credit building tools. I've been using it for a bit and I'm here to break down the features and see if it's a good fit for your financial needs. For those who don't know, MoneyLion is a mobile-first platform that combines traditional banking with personal finance tools to help you manage your money better. Whether you're looking to save, build your credit, or invest, MoneyLion offers a lot of services under one roof. The main selling point? It's designed to give you everything you need to improve your financial health, without needing to switch between a bunch of apps. Let's start with the basic features. One of the first things I noticed was the MoneyLion mobile banking account. It comes with a debit card that offers cashback rewards on purchases, which is a nice touch. You also get access to fee-free ATMs and no monthly maintenance fees, which is a huge win if you're tired of the usual bank fees. On top of that, MoneyLion offers a credit builder loan option, which can be a game changer if you're looking to boost your credit score. It's simple to use, just take out a small loan, make regular payments, and it gets reported to the credit bureaus to help build your credit over time. The platform also offers investment tools, which is great if you're looking to start growing your wealth. With MoneyLion, you can set up automatic investments into diversified portfolios, or you can invest in individual stocks if you prefer a more hands-on approach. There's even a raw money feature that combines budgeting, saving, and investing into one easy-to-use tool, so you can see how your money is working for you. One feature I really liked was the Instacash program. If you need cash in a pinch, this service gives you access to a small cash advance with no interest or fees, which can be super helpful in emergencies. However, you do need to be a member for a while to access larger advances, but it's still a great perk to have. Now, for a couple of downsides, while MoneyLion is packed with features, the best ones come with a membership fee. You can start with a free account, but to get access to the full range of services, you'll need to sign up for a paid membership. This is something to keep in mind, especially if you're trying to stick to a budget. Additionally, while the app is user-friendly, it might be a bit overwhelming at first with all the options available. So it may take some time to get used to navigating everything. So, is MoneyLion worth it? If you're looking for an all-in-one platform to manage your banking, build credit, and start investing, MoneyLion is a solid choice. The ability to track your finances, boost your credit score, and even invest all in one place makes it a convenient and comprehensive option. Plus, with the cashback rewards and fee-free ATM access, it's definitely one of the better digital banking options out there. That's my review of MoneyLion 2024. Have any of you tried it out? Let me know in the comments. And if you're into tech and finance reviews, make sure to subscribe to Gigabits for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.